Now we're going to do the quadriceps. Okay, so on button on, level 1. So this one real easy, obviously, now for me to see the knee, because I can see the knee, the patella sticking out. I generally start real close to the knee, and then I can trace. Yeah.
Okay.
So if it tickles more, I gotta can either avoid or push harder, generally.
Okay. Okay, that feels like really funny for me.
Yeah. So it just depends.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
So that's a quadricep, pretty easy. And then we'll do...
So you stay mainly on this side.
Well, we do the middle too.
Okay.
You're just kind of jumping away, but I'll try. Okay. We'll do it.
Okay. Yeah,
Middle.
that's like, it really tickles.
Yeah.
Is that like normal?
Yeah, some people it does, some people it doesn't.
Okay.
And now we'll do the front side here, since you're up like this.
So this way?
Yeah, no, just bend your knee and put it down.
Okay.
There we go. And then...
Oh my god, it feels really weird.
But the different things feel different. So if we put the prong back on, it might not tickle at all.
Oh, okay.
So you can try that too.
Okay. Now, is it because... So when it's too light, it'll tickle?
Yeah, so sometimes it just depends on
the
person. If it's too light, it will tickle them sometimes. So we'll just see. This might not be ticklish at all.
Yeah, it's a little bit better.
Yeah. So you just prefer this one.
Oh,
you know?
Okay. It's still like, I guess this muscle is more
sensitive. It's more sensitive.
Yeah. Okay, I see.
Yeah. And then this one. Because that's the muscle that's tight on you, right?
Yeah. Oh, good. Okay. So that was the
quadricep.
The good hurt.
Yeah, the hurt. So
the other one was like really.
So you can tell. That that's